Hi, today I'm going to go through the steps at switches. Switches. There are two types of switches. It's to the side or to the front. So, okay, I'm going to start with the switches to the side. I'll start with the weight on my left. I could have started with my weight on right as well, but I'll start with my left. Then I point right to the right side, point, I step right together, change weight, point left out, together, change weight, back to left. So one more time, it's point, together, point, together. That's the normal switches, side switches, which is just to say switches. Yeah. So the normal counting, 1 and 2 and. One more time, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. You can also do sort of slow switches. That would mean with the countings is 1, 2, 3, 4. You sort of do the same but a little bit slower. And it also depends on the music, how fast the music is. So yeah. Okay, that was switches or side switches. Then I'm going to do heel switches. Heel switches. Okay, I'll start with the weight on my left. Touch right heel forward, forward, together, 7 left, forward, together. I also switch with which foot is going forward. Start with my right, and go start with the left of course, but yeah, start with my right, together, and left together. Just to show it towards the camera as well, so you can see what I'm doing. So it's right forward, together, left forward, together. And kind of normal counting for the heel switches is the same as the switches. So 1 and 2 and. Or you can do the slow switches. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the weight ends on your left. Okay, it's also really normal to see both switches put together in a dance. That means it's, but just quickly show you that. 7, 8, there's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's quite common in many line dances. So. Okay, good luck.